Reimagine, recreate, and restore. Confused? Don't be. This is the theme of World Environment Day 2021. This video is going to be very helpful. In the next 3 minutes, we will look at the 4 important things of World Environment Day that we should all know being on this planet Earth. The first one, we will look at what is World Environment Day. Second one, why do we celebrate the World Environment Day? Third one, when this World Environment Day began. It means the history of Environment Day. And the fourth one, the theme of 2021 World Environment Day and the country who is hosting 2021 World Environment Day. And the most of the time and in many competitive examination, you will get at least 1 to 2 questions on this Environment Day. So let's begin. So friends, welcome and you're watching We Learn It. If you like our videos, please hit the like button, share and do not forget to subscribe. Let's begin. The first we'll look at what is World Environment Day. The World Environment Day is a reminder for each one of us to pause and check our actions and their consequences, the side effects of our actions on this planet Earth. On this day, we spread the awareness among the people to save and to keep our planet healthy and better place for our future. And this day is celebrated on 5th of June every year across the planet. Let's move on to the second topic, and that is why do we celebrate the World Environment Day? Dear friends, the concept behind this World Environment Day is to focus to remind people about the importance of this nature. And the nature should not be taken for granted and must be respected and acknowledged everything that the environment has given to this mankind, and to take the pledge that to protect it, to save it. Friend, as taking environment granted, we are witnessing a bad time today. As we all know that since early 2020, we all are witnessing how badly this pandemic corona virus is affecting our life. It's just because we have not maintained or we are not maintaining the proper balance between the mother nature and us. At least now we need to listen our environment, our planet need us to step up and reverse the damages those are caused by us. And to remind the importance of this nature, we celebrate the World Environment Day. Let's move on to the topic number 3, and that is when this World Environment Day began, the history of it. Dear friends, it started by United Nations Assembly in 1972. Whereas in 1974, the theme of World Environment Day was only One Earth. Since then, various countries have been hosting and celebrating this day across the world. Let's move on to the last point, and that is the theme of 2021 and the country hosting this day today. The theme of this year's World Environment Day is Reimagine, Recreate and Restore. And the Pakistan is the country is hosting the day globally. So friends, this is our moment. Let us give our coming generation a healthier and happier environment to have a beautiful life. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe and share. So see you with the next video. Take care.